Have you ever seen glowing orbs during a storm? Have you ever witnessed a rare phenomenon during a storm? Imagine you're standing near a window during a thunderstorm. Suddenly, a glowing orb the size of a grapefruit drifts into the room, hovers, spins, and vanishes with a soft hiss or a loud bang. Was it magic? Hallucination? Or ball lightning? For centuries, ball lightning has hovered between folklore and science. Today, we explore what it really is, what science says, and what mysteries still surround this glowing enigma of the skies. What is ball lightning? Ball lightning is a rare and poorly understood atmospheric phenomenon. Witnesses report glowing, spherical objects, typically 1 to 40 centimeters in diameter, that appear during thunderstorms and lightning strikes. These balls often float silently, drift through windows, or explode violently. Unlike conventional lightning bolts that last mere microseconds, ball lightning can persist for several seconds, exhibiting strange behaviors, spinning, pulsating, and even moving against the wind. Is it real? What does science say? Despite sounding like science fiction, ball lightning is real. Thousands of credible eyewitness accounts, including those from military personnel, pilots, and scientists, confirm its existence. A turning point came in 2012, when Chinese researchers accidentally captured video and spectral data of a natural ball lightning event in Xinjiang. Using high-speed cameras, they detected chemical signatures of silicon, iron, and calcium, elements found in vaporized soil. This supports the vaporized silicon theory, one of the most promising models today. Physical review. Letters 2014. Observation of the optical and spectral characteristics of ball lightning. Theories and scientific models. While there is no universally accepted explanation, several serious hypotheses have emerged. 1. Silicon nanoparticle combustion theory. Lightning strikes vaporize silica-rich soil. The vapor condenses into nanoparticles, which burn in air, producing a luminous ball. Backed by chemical analysis in 2010. 2012 observation. 2. Microwave cavity hypothesis. Proposed by Nobel laureate Piotr Kapitsa. This theory suggests microwaves trapped in a plasma bubble sustain the light for seconds. But real-world evidence is limited. 3. Electromagnetic hallucination theory. Some scientists suggest that electromagnetic fields from nearby lightning may stimulate the brain's visual cortex, leading to perceived glowing orbs. However, this doesn't explain physical damage or multiple observer reports. Witnesses have described entry into closed spaces, even through windows, silence or faint humming, movement against air currents, sudden explosions, sometimes causing damage or fire, a sulfurous or ozone-like smell left behind. Notably, many accounts describe it occurring after a lightning strike, usually within a few seconds and within 50 meters. Is it dangerous? Yes, occasionally. While many cases report harmless or silent dissipation, some reports document burns, explosions, fatalities. Although rare, one famous case. In 1934, ball lightning allegedly passed through the cabin of an aircraft, terrifying the crew but causing no damage. Its interaction with solid surfaces is still a mystery. Can it be recreated in the lab? Several experiments have succeeded in creating ball lightning analogs, including microwave plasma balls, electrolytic discharge spheres, silicon vapor combustion. However, these lab simulations still differ in lifespan, temperature, and chemical composition from true natural occurrences. The mystery remains. What causes nature's version to float, persist, and behave with such autonomy? Why it matters? Ball lightning isn't just a curiosity. It challenges our understanding of plasma physics, electromagnetism, and atmospheric chemistry. If fully understood, it could lead to new advances in energy storage, combustion science, and electromagnetic field control. The mystery endures. Ball lightning stands at the edge of modern science, seen, recorded, yet still unexplained. As we continue to probe the secrets of our skies, this glowing phantom reminds us, even in the age of satellites and particle colliders, nature still holds mysteries we don't fully understand. If you've ever witnessed something like this, maybe you saw the real deal. Several witness reports describing mysterious balls of light, often interpreted as ball lightning, gathered from recent and historical sources. Georgia, USA, February 13, 2025. A storm-eyed observer described a glowing ball, maybe the size of a tennis ball, literally phased through our closed window. It popped, making this really fast crackling sound, then the loudest thunderclap I've ever heard. Others chimed in, "My husband saw ball lightning, came through screen door, traveled down hallway, burst against a wall." A father reported seeing a small blue glowing orb drifting past a porch door during a storm. His child later had multiple orb sightings too. Multiple users described slow-moving colored orbs, blue, green, orange, seen near storm fronts, weird, slower-moving shooting star, believed to be ball lightning. Published reports and historical observations. Around 2215 LT, Austria, July 28, 2020, Vienna, a white luminous sphere, 3.5 m in diameter, appeared suddenly near cloud base. It hovered briefly, circled, then vanished sharply upwards. The event was well documented alongside lightning data. Tioga County, New York, Sept. 2017. A yellow orb, roughly soccer ball size, reportedly entered a home, drifted toward a ceiling fan, and exploded silently, causing sharp ear pain. Experts noted electromagnetic fields may explain the wounding sensation. Canada, early July 2025. Alberta couple filmed a bluish ball of light 2 meters wide hovering 20 feet above ground after a lightning strike. The orb lasted 23 seconds, then vanished with a popping sound, widely circulated on video and linked to ball lightning. Historical and scientific eyewitness accounts. Alistair Crowley, New Hampshire, 1916, described a dazzling globe of electric fire, 6.8 in diameter, stationary beside him before exploding with a sharp report, giving a slight shock to his hand. Eastern Airlines flight, March 1963. R.C. Jennison, Electrical Lab, reported a glowing sphere, 20 centimeters, emerged behind the cockpit, floated down the aisle 50 centimeters from him before vanishing. Massachusetts and Ohio, 1960 to 61. Farmers and an engineer recounted experiences. Balls of fire appeared during storms, sometimes running indoors or skipping across surfaces before disappearing. Ball lightning explanations. Earthquake lights. Rare luminous phenomena linked to tectonic activity, seen in Wales, 1905, 1974, and other fault zones, often described as balls of light moving or hovering. Neuroscientific hypothesis. Researchers in Austria suggest frequent lightning strokes may trigger magnetic fields that induce phosphenes, visual hallucinations resembling floating blobs. Though intriguing, many eyewitness accounts differ in vividness and duration. What witnesses often describe. The sizes vary from tennis ball to several meters wide. Jeeves on my colors. White, yellow, blue, orange, red, or green. Motion. Drifting slowly, hovering, bouncing, or passing through walls or screens. Sounds and smells. Some report crackling pops or electric bangs. Sulfur-like odors or ear discomfort also appear in accounts. Duration. Typically brief seconds, though rare cases last longer enough to film or photograph. Here are 20 shocking scientific facts about ball lightning. 1. It's been reported for over 1,000 years. Historical accounts of ball lightning go back to the 12th century and appear in naval logs, church records, and ancient Chinese texts. 2. It's not a myth. It's been scientifically recorded. Chinese scientists captured a real event in 2012 using a spectrometer and high-speed camera, confirming it was not a hallucination. 3. It can pass through windows and solid objects. Numerous credible witnesses have seen it enter homes, planes, or ships through closed windows without leaving a mark. 4. It may be caused by burning silicon nanoparticles. One of the leading theories says that lightning vaporizes soil silica, forming glowing nanoparticle clouds that persist and float. 5. It can be dangerous, but rarely. Yes, ball lightning can be deadly. While most sightings are harmless, some events have caused burns, fires, or explosions. For example, one 18th century report describes a church struck by ball lightning that killed 4 people. 6. It defies gravity and moves erratically. Ball lightning can float, move horizontally or vertically, or even change direction mid-air, sometimes moving upwind. 7. It can last for several seconds. Unlike regular lightning that lasts microseconds, ball lightning can linger for up to 10 seconds, glowing and dancing mid-air. 8. It leaves a chemical smell behind. After it vanishes, witnesses often report the odor of sulfur, ozone, or burning metal, evidence of ionized air or combustion. 9. Some think it's an optical illusion. Certain neuroscientists suggest ball lightning may be an EM-induced hallucination, especially during close lightning strikes. 10. Scientists can recreate it, but only partially. Lab-generated plasma balls and microwave-induced fireballs look similar, but they don't float naturally or last as long. 11. It may be electromagnetic in nature. Some models describe it as a self-contained electromagnetic structure, similar to a plasma torus, stabilized by magnetic fields. 12. Its size varies widely. Most reports describe balls 10 to 40 centimeters wide, but extremes range from pea-size to over 1 meter in diameter. 13. It can cause electronic disruption. Ball lightning has reportedly interfered with radios, electronics, and avionics, possibly by emitting broadband EM radiation. 14. It's been seen on aircraft and ships. Pilots and sailors have frequently reported sightings, even inside airplane cabins, often during or just after lightning strikes. 15. It can explode with a bang or fade silently. In some cases, it vanishes quietly. In others, it ends with a loud pop, explosion, or crack, sometimes damaging surroundings. 16. It may be linked to soil composition. Silicon-rich soils seem to correlate with more frequent sightings, supporting the soil vapor combustion hypothesis. 17. It's rare, but not that rare. While uncommon, global surveys suggest that 1 to 5% of people have seen a phenomenon resembling ball lightning. 18. It can be any color, but often orange or blue. Most reported colors are white, orange, yellow, or blue, but green, red, and even purple orbs have also been described. 19. It's one of science's longest-standing mysteries. Despite advances in physics, there is still no consensus on what ball lightning really is, or how to predict it reliably. 20. Some theories involve antimatter or quantum effects. A few fringe models propose quantum vacuum fluctuations, relativistic plasma, or even antimatter annihilation, though these remain speculative, mysterious, beautiful, and still misunderstood. Ball lightning remains one of nature's most electrifying unsolved puzzles. Whether you believe it's plasma, particles, or perception, it's a glowing reminder that science still has frontiers to explore. So next time you're caught in a thunderstorm and see something glowing, spinning, or hovering, don't panic, but do take notes. you might just witness one of nature's rarest and strangest light shows. Ball lightning can be deadly, but most encounters are harmless. Explosions. Ball lightning can end with a loud explosion, sometimes shattering windows, damaging objects, or starting fires. Burns and trauma. Some eyewitnesses have reported burns, electrical shock-like sensations, or physical impacts caused by exploding orbs. Many incidents occur indoors or inside aircraft, without causing any harm to people or electronics. What makes it dangerous? 1. Stored energy. If ball lightning is a plasma or electromagnetic structure, it might store and release large amounts of energy, potentially explosively. 2. Chemical combustion. If it's caused by burning silicon particles, there may be localized combustion or reactive gases involved. 3. Electric magnetic effects. Some cases mention electronic interference or unexpected electrical arcs near the orb. Ball lightning is potentially hazardous, particularly when it forms in enclosed spaces or near flammable materials. However, confirmed injuries or fatalities are extremely rare, and much of the evidence remains anecdotal or historical. Question for you, the viewer. Have you or someone you know ever seen something that might have been ball lightning? Was it glowing, floating, or behaving strangely during a storm? Share your experience or thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the for more facts and stories about the mysteries of our planet and universe.